Oh, hi. I'm a smart investor. I dare say that because I understand the cryptocurrency markets and I am up to date on every new development, fintech and blockchain ecosystem. All because I watch the Inside Blockchain show on Cryptotvplus. Every Monday morning, Cryptotvplus brings you news headlines of top stories, interview with an expert, and give you detailed market analysis to enable you make the right business moves. Now you too can become a smart investor if you don't miss it. The Inside Blockchain show, only on Cryptotvplus.
This program is brought to you by GIGXPAD, the most trusted digital asset exchange.
Hello, my name is Chiki and I'm the bull of the bullet.
Keep watching Cryptotvplus.
Don't touch that die. Peace.
Hello and welcome to the program. This is Inside Blockchain live from Cryptotvplus. I am Ihenyen. It's another beautiful Monday morning, the 27th of December 2021, and I want to use this opportunity to especially wish every single person out there a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year ahead. Now the headlines. Bank of Russia sees no place for crypto in financial market. The Central Bank of Russia has indicated that it sees no place for cryptocurrencies in the country's financial market. The Monetary Authority also announced that the prototype of the platform for its own central bank digital currency, dubbed Digital Ruble, is already completed. China's Xinhua news agency to issue NFTs despite crackdown on crypto. The state-owned Chinese news agency Xinhua is preparing to issue a digital collection representing photographic news reports from 2021. The selection of 11 photos, each limited to 10,000 copies, will be released on December 24th. They will be issued as NFTs free of charge via Xinhua's news app. NFT lending platform Arcade raises $15 million in Series A funding. Arcade, formerly known as Pawn.fi, a platform that lets users borrow against their NFTs as collateral, has raised $15 million in a Series A funding round to bring collateralized lending to connect NFTs to DeFi. The metaverse is a buzzword, says Elon Musk. Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk has shown no support for the metaverse and Web3 ecosystems, as he dismissed the terms for being used as buzzwords and marketing tactics. And finally, crypto regulation is coming. On the 8th of December, the United States Senate House Financial Services Committee hosted 6 crypto CEOs in a wide-range hearing on digital assets and stablecoins. Let us take a breather. When we return, we will have 3 industry professionals explain the impact of crypto regulation and crypto ban. Stay with us.
Merry Christmas! It's Crypto Santa! Crypto Santa is here to ask you, what do you want for Christmas? Talk to Crypto Santa and your wish will be granted. Merry Christmas to you and yours, and a prosperous New Year to all of us.
This program is brought to you by GIGXPAD, the most trusted digital asset exchange.
Welcome back. If you're just tuning in, this is still Inside Blockchain live from Cryptotvplus and the last Inside Blockchain show for the year. Now, the Honorable Minister of State for Budget and National Planning, Prince Clem Ikanede-Agba, recently disclosed that a new body might be required for crypto regulation because the law isn't clear on which government agency between the Central Bank of Nigeria and the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, should control the space. Now, as I mentioned before, we'll hear from 3 industry professionals give their candid opinion on the impact of crypto regulation and crypto ban. And right about now, we'll hear from Dr. Babatunde Obrimah, the CEO of the FinTech Association of Nigeria, as he gives his 2 cents on the issue at hand. Let's take a look.
Okay, so look, let's face it, there are some realities. No responsible government, and we've seen it's a global thing, will allow 2 fiat currencies to operate in its economy. But how should crypto be treated? I personally think that it should be treated as an asset. Why? It's a store of value. So the government used to have what you call the gold standard, where they kept their reserves in gold until after the Second World War, when the dollar became the universal standard. The younger generation also want to have a store of value that's global and universal. They don't want to carry gold bars and go and keep in a bank vault. They want the bank vault on their phone. That's technology.
Yeah, exactly.
So we need to start looking at that. Look, even when people kept gold bars, it wasn't the government that mined the gold. The golds were mined. Gold was mined by private sector. The government bought them in gold bars and kept them in storage. So people are mining cryptocurrencies, and people want to keep them as a store of value, that anywhere globally I go is the same value. And that's the whole idea. So regulators need to start seeing it from a different perspective, that it's a store of value, it's a universal store of value, and then you now create regulations around it. You see, regulations are not bad. As a matter of fact, financial systems are stable as the regulations that govern it. So, but what should be regulated? How should it be regulated? Those are things that are critical. So, create the regulations that will govern it, not just ban it or prevent it from operating.
Functioning, yes.
They haven't banned it, but they're saying that. So, if exchanges can't function, you have technically banned it without banning it.
Yes.
So that's why you can see P2P
ban.
transactions are thriving. So technology cannot be caged, and that's one thing government and regulators need to understand. Technology is always evolving. You block one door, 4 doors will open.
Exactly.
Moving on, let us hear from Senator Ihenyen. He is a lawyer and the president of the Stakeholders in Blockchain Association of Nigeria, as he gives an analytical response on this issue. Let's take a look.
As with every technology, there's usually the strengths and the weaknesses, the threats and the opportunities. And we've seen those threats and the weaknesses when it comes to security using the blockchain technology. Now, the ironical thing is blockchain is meant or was invented to solve the problem of distrust, in the system. Ironically, people are getting defrauded and all that, right? Using blockchain technology as well. So this is where regulation comes in. And this is where I think that regulation has failed so far, because regulation has allowed innovation go forward for too long without any intervention with regulatory frameworks. So yes, the technology is a trustless technology with the blockchain and all of that. You can secure assets and stuff, but there are always going to be bad actors in the space. There's always going to be cybersecurity threats and all of that. You cannot say that technology will be the answer to all. There's a place where regulation has to come in, and that's why as players in the space, in the various capacities I serve, whether as president of the Stakeholders in Blockchain Technology Association of Nigeria, SIBAN, as secretary of the FinTech Alliance Coordinating Team, and also the Blockchain Industry Coordinating Committee of Nigeria, Beacon, we have always tried to engage regulators so that they can regulate this space. And just sometime last year, the National Information Technology Development Agency, NITDA, came up with the idea of having a national blockchain adoption strategy. And that was a wonderful innovation, if you ask me. You know what that was supposed to do for Nigeria? It would get everyone on the table, CBN, SEC, NDIC, all of us, so that we can have a strategy. But it hasn't worked so far.
And that's it for Senator Ihenyen. Let us go on a quick break. We'll be right back. Don't go nowhere.
Have you seen people making money from crypto and you want to join them? Then this is the right course for you. Hello there, welcome to Learn and Earn with NFL. If you're a beginner, kindly go back to our previous videos to get started. So you want to know how to make money in crypto? The answer to the question is simple. You have to work for it. But how do you work for this money? You have done the first part, you've learned. But learning never ends. There are several ways to make money in crypto, and one of them is airdrops.
Hello, my name is Chiki and I'm the Bo of the Bullet.
Keep watching Crypto TV Plus.
Don't touch that die. Peace. This program is brought to you by OKEX, the most trusted digital asset exchange.
Welcome back. If you're just tuning in, this is Inside Blockchain live from Crypto TV Plus, and we're still having a tete-a-tete with three industry professionals as they give their candid insights on cryptocurrency regulations and cryptocurrency ban. And finally, we have Mr. Seun Adeosun. He is a blockchain marketing consultant, and we want to take a look as he gives his take on crypto ban and regulation, and also as he offers a way forward. Let's take a look.
Okay, so if you look at blockchain technology and the cryptocurrency space, it was not legislated by anyone. Nobody forced anybody to get involved. It had grown based on community participation, community enthusiasm, community acceptance, and that's what the blockchain is here to do. Create a disintermediation between people. They want people to connect together. For CBDCs to succeed, it must evolve naturally. You can legislate it. So people have got to accept that there is value in holding a country CBDC as against the open open blockchain platforms. And the trust, people must trust the system, because that's the other thing that the blockchain, general blockchain platforms that we have, that's what they have. People trust in the code that has brought about the platform. So people must trust in it for them to adopt it. So I think that's the work that central banks that are putting out CBDCs have ahead of them. Getting people to get around it, but it must evolve naturally. You cannot legislate it.
And that's it from Mr. Seun Adeosun, a blockchain marketing consultant, as he gives his 2 cents on cryptocurrency regulations and cryptocurrency ban. Now, as cryptocurrency's transformation from a speculative investment to a more balanced portfolio continues to gather pace, governments all around the world remain divided on how to regulate this emerging asset class. Now, the question on everybody's lips will be, will it enhance and stabilize the crypto market? Will it enhance adoption, or will it stifle innovation? I guess we are all going to find out. And that's it for the show. I want to especially appreciate Dr. Babatunde Obrimah, the CEO of the FinTech Association of Nigeria, and Senator Ihenyen, the president of the Stakeholders and Blockchain Association of Nigeria, and not forgetting Mr. Seun Adeosun, a blockchain marketing consultant. Thank you so much for joining us on the show. And that will be all on today's program. You can get more market updates and all the happenings captured within the world of blockchain and cryptocurrency on our website, cryptotvplus.com. You can also follow us on our social media, Facebook and Twitter at CryptoTVPlus to get daily info on our programs. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Crypto TV Plus, for more amazing content. And today's edition of the Inside Blockchain Show is brought to you by OKX, the leading innovative cryptocurrency exchange that offers advanced financial services. And like I did mention initially, this is the last Inside Blockchain Show for the year 2021. I want to especially thank you for joining us, for being a part of our programs, for being a part of our community. I want to especially appreciate our partners, supporters, and everyone out there. And to say thank you and see you next year. Thank you for staying with us. I am Ihenyen. See you next year.
This program is brought to you by OKEX, the most trusted digital asset exchange.